A warm greetings to all. Today we are going to see how to install Java and NetBeans tools for the Internet Programming Laboratory. So for downloading the Java as well as the NetBeans, the links are provided in the description. So here already I have downloaded the Java. It is JDK 8 and also NetBeans 8.24 Windows. So we shall see the procedure how to install the Java as well as the NetBeans. So firstly, in order to work with the NetBeans, we need to install the Java in our machine. Okay, so initially at the first step, we need to install the Java. Okay, so now we shall install the Java to our machine. So here, this is the Java Development Kit 8. So here we shall click the next button, and in the next screen, it will be asking for the location where to install the Java software or the Java programming language. So here the default location will be program file Java and JDK. In order to make the accessibility easy, we can change the location directly to G. Okay, so you can install the Java or JDK directly inside the G drive. So we click the change button and change the location here. You just delete the locations which are not needed. Okay, so I'm directly installing the JDK into my C drive. Okay, and click OK, and then click next. So now the installation starts. So it will take some time, so be patient. So this process will take some time, so leave its own time. So now the installation got over, and the Java is going to install the Java runtime environment into your machine. So if you need, you can change the location of the Java runtime environment. So you can directly install the Java runtime environment into the programming files location itself. So click next, and here the installation for Java takes place. Okay, so this runtime environment is widely used for running the Java applications in the browsers. Okay, so then only the system will be able to run the Java applications in the browsers which are being installed in your machine. So here also it will take some time, so leave the machine to take its own time. Okay, so here you can see now the Java and runtime environment got installed. Okay, and the totally Java development kit as well as the Java runtime environment got installed. So you can close it, right? So in order to check whether the Java has been installed properly, you just go to the system and invoke the command prompt. Okay, so invoke the command prompt, you come to the C drive and then change the location. Okay, so here you can see Java update cd bin. Okay, so here you can check how many things are been installed here. So here already a Java has been installed. So JDK 1.8.0_361. Okay, then cd bin and give the Java C command. So if the Java has been installed successfully, you will be getting these messages. Okay, so you will be getting the options which we can use for doing some work with this Java. Okay, so to find out the versions, to get the help files, like with some shortcut commands will be given to you. Okay, so now you can fix that the Java has been installed properly. Okay, so now we shall go for the installation of NetBeans 8.2 for Windows. So here already I have downloaded it, so you can invoke it. So the download link, I am giving it in the description. You can find it in the description. So here, so unlike other softwares, the same process is available for the installation. But here, while installing, you have to to be you should be very careful while installing it in the configuration, right? So in this particular window, you can see. So what are the tools or packages which will be installed for this NetBeans? Okay, so what are the tools and packages, or what are the support the NetBeans will be giving to you, right? So here in the runtimes, you can see Glassfish Server Open Source Edition. So apart from that, for our web application related uh, work, we need this Apache Tomcat. Okay, right? So that has to be installed. Okay, so for that, to click the customize, and in the runtimes, defaultly the Glassfish server will be checked. So here you can select the Apache Tomcat also. Okay, so after clicking the Apache Tomcat, you can click OK. Right? So here the base IDE, Java, up to the feature on demand, all this should be in the should be checked, or it should be clicked. Okay, so if you don't want any of the packages, you can take it off. If you don't want the C or C++, you can check it out. Okay, you can uncheck. So if you don't want group, you can uncheck. If PHP is not, you can uncheck. Okay, right? So my advice is you just keep all those things. Okay, so and click OK, and as usual, go to the next. And here this is the license agreement, so you can click the accept, and here you can see the location where the NetBeans will be installed, and here you can see the version of Java which this NetBeans is taking. Okay, the version of Java which the NetBeans will be considering, right? So this is been installed, this Java JDK is installed in the C drive, so it is taking it, right? Okay, so in the next window you can see the file location for the Glassfish server to install and the JDK, right? Okay, the Glassfish also will be taking the JDK. Next, it is a location where the Apache Tomcat will be installed. Okay, so here for this NetBeans, for the Glassfish as well as for the Apache Tomcat, we don't want to change the location, right? So it will be directly installed in the default locations. It will be program files. Clear. Then click the next. And here you can see the locations where these three things, that is Java, NetBeans IDE, then the Java Glassfish server, and the Apache Tomcat, where those will be installed. Those folders are being listed out here. Okay, and if you need to check the updates, you can click this, keep this box checked, or else you can uncheck it. Okay, and here click the install button so that the installation will be getting started. Okay, and this installation will take some time. Okay, so you can leave its own time to take the installation or to finish the installation. For doing your web-based applications or the Java web-based applications, we need the help of this NetBeans IDE. Since it needs to install many number of modules and packages, it will take some time. So here the installation completed successfully. So here we can click the finish button. Okay, so here the installations of Java and NetBeans got over here. So in order to check whether the installation got successfully or the installation completed successfully, you can go for checking it. So in the NetBeans, you will be having the ID. So here you can click it and you can check. So here you can see the NetBeans IDE with 8.2 version got installed in your machine. So for the first time, it will take some time to get activated. Okay, so here you can see the NetBeans IDE, and to start any new project, you can go for the file, click new project. So here for our web-based applications, you can click the Java web and the web application and click next. And here you can provide the project name as well as the location where the project should be stored. Okay, so click next, and here you can see the server. Okay, so here you can see the Apache Tomcat server and the Java version which you are going to use. Okay, click next, and here click finish. And if you need to add the another servers, you can go for using it. Okay, so here we have installed file installation. You can see we have installed Apache Tomcat as well as the Glassfish server, right? So here for this project or for our projects, we need only the Apache Tomcat. Okay, for web services, we can go for Glassfish server, and for web application, we can use Apache Tomcat. Okay, so here you can click next and then click finish, right? So yeah, new project will be getting created. That is a new web project will be getting created in the NetBeans IDE. Clear, right? So now you can see the web application got installed here, and the index for the index.html page got opened. Okay, and here the here you can see the projects is getting created as well as the scanning of the project is being taken place here, right? So uh, to run or to execute this project, we have to wait until the background scanning gets over. Okay, so here you can see the scanning got over. In order to check whether all the required uh, packages have been installed successfully, what you can do is you can execute this particular page. Okay, right? So in the browser, you should get to do right connect. That message has to be displayed in the browser. Okay, so here you can click the run button. You can run the project, right? So this particular web application will be executed and the result will be shown in the default browser which you have installed in your machine. Okay, so here it will be asking for the security alert. So here you can give allow access. Okay, so in this machine, the Explorer is been taken as the default browser. So here you can see the content which are being available in the body will be displayed here, right? So here you can fix that the installation, everything got installed successfully. That is, it has been everything got installed clearly, and you don't have any problem in the installation. Okay, right? So next you can proceed with your applications, or you can proceed with your projects too. Thank you.